Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. Welcome to our Thursday live trading Thursday market watch. It's a live Thursday market watch. Hey guys, if you can just tell me in the comments if you can hear me loud and clear. Just quickly in the comments, just tell me that you can hear me loud and clear. And then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go, and do a little bit of a recap of what we did yesterday and then go to what we are looking at today. So if okay, cool. Let's saying we can hear me loud and clear. Gosna team can hear me loud and clear. Where are you guys joining me from? Where are you guys joining me from? Just tell me your city quickly. Just tell me your city quickly. Tell me your city quickly so that we can get started. Looking at the chats here. Soweto, Ezola, Pretoria, Northwest, nice. Brits, that's beautiful. Okay, awesome stuff. Kurumane also, Northern Cape. So I am basically now very happy that we have most of the provinces here. Let's get into what is going on in the markets today. Let's look at the economic calendar first. So, guys, in the next 57 minutes, we are going to be receiving a lot of news regarding the bank, from the Bank of England, regarding the interest rate decision, the meeting minutes, the inflation report, and all of these are going to be moving the markets. The interest rates decision of August 2 will be released, but the interest rate decision will remain the same, right? The biggest thing, which is going to be 0 point, in most cases, like I believe it's going to be 0.1%. Now, the biggest thing that is going to be moving markets is the inflation reports and then the meeting minutes. These are going to move the market like crazy. Now, so today is going to be a very risky day in the market. And I repeat, it's going to be a very risky day in the market. Let's look at what's going on. Here, later on, there is imports in the US and exports slightly move the market, but the initial jobless claims will surely move the market, and the trade balance will move the market. Those are the things that we are looking at today that will move the markets today, right? Let's go into the market and see what's going on right there. I am currently holding a buy on XAUSD. I'm going to explain to you why. And for those of you who bought XAUSD with me yesterday, hope you guys closed with profits. And if you did, well done. Now, market have been acting very strange lately. Now, the NFP week, which is the day where the week where the US releases the what is this? The job report, is one of the riskiest week in the market. I know my take profit on XAUSD is slightly higher than expected. Let me just move it to particular levels here. My take profit is actually at 100 pips now. But I'm not saying that the market will get there. Market is about to move, obviously, and we want to see if the dollar is going to gain strength when the initial jobless claims will be released at 2:30 South African time. Let's see. Now, the reason why is because of the daily time frame, guys. You guys know exactly, if you've been following my videos on my YouTube, that this is the structure that we've looked at for days, right? And we said that market has come out of this structure and went back into this structure. Now, this is a breakout and a retest, right? Cool stuff. Now, market is expected to get into previous levels such as the 1870 mark, the 1921 mark, and then the $2,000 mark too. Those are the previous levels we are looking for on long-term, on the long-term direction. But currently, market is being trying in the last couple of days and weeks, or like last couple of days and hours, market has been very, very bearish on this particular setup, meaning market has been pushing towards the downside. You can see that we have this low, this high, same as this high, and these lows, same as these lows, meaning we are pretty much simply, pretty much close to what may be called a ranging market, right? So if we're looking at it in that eye, that means that market has a potential of coming back down to these particular levels, which is what is this level? 1976 mark. The 1976 mark is one of the levels that we can look at. Yes, I know that this small triangle that we drew earlier today may be functional, but I'm going to be taking my profits very, very soon, if not at 1 o'clock, and then look for a sell direction in this particular case. But whatever the case will be, failure for market to break this zone, which I've been showing you guys here on a 1 hour time frame, failure to break this zone right here is going to cause markets to do what? To skyrocket all the way up. Now, another thing that we need to note, let me just delete these moving averages. I know what are these moving averages doing? Indicator list and delete. Cool, awesome. Now, if markets, now why are we buying? Why keep on insisting buying here? If you look at this market and you draw your Fibonacci retracement tool here, you will see that we are slightly above the 61.8 mark, which, the market has a high potential of going towards the top side of things here. But that may not be a sure thing too. We'll see what the market gives us today, since we're expecting a lot of crazy movement. So let's quickly look at Euro USD. Euro USD has just approached a very important level here. So let's us watch out. That level is one of the biggest levels, which is 61.8. I believe that if markets, we'll see how things go, but I'll advise everyone who's on the group at the International School of Traders whether to buy or not to buy Euro USD. I'll be advising you guys if we are going to be buying Euro USD. This is the expectation right here. We know that yesterday I did mention that market is going to go up here, and market did do that. But 2 days ago, market did not hold above the structure that we were looking at that particular time. So let's see if this is going to be true, and then we are going to be buying Euro USD in this particular case. GBP USD is the one that is expected to move very crazily today, and there's some very important levels to look out for. I believe is this previous high. I'm still not sure yet if the pound is going to lose strength, but that is going to obviously move the market today. So these previous levels right here is going to be key in terms of what's going to happen in the next couple of minutes. USD JPY has been falling since yesterday. Now, what to look out for? I'm looking for a sell position here, a sell entry actually, and then I take a sell position. This is the level where I feel very comfortable selling USD JPY. Even if we go dial down to 15-minute time frame, I'm still even not yet happy with what I'm seeing at the moment. So we'll see if this structure is breaking out of these zones. If it does break towards the downside, then we might think of taking a sell below the rate, below these levels, and start going all the way down. But my ultimate sell zone is going to be this one. Let me quickly put a sell limit there and set up a sell limit order with a stop loss of at least 9.7. It's going to be at least 9. Come on, bro. It's going to be What's going on? Guys, you can hear some chickens. I mean, I'm at home, so if you guys can hear some chickens, you guys are very lucky. That means we might have a beautiful day. I'm not saying we are going to have it. I'm saying we might have a beautiful day. So my sell limit is at 109.776, and then my stop loss is at 109.976. My take profit is obviously going to be down at 108.835. 108.835 in this particular case. Let's see. I believe my stop loss is at the right place and my take profit is at the right place. So my take profit is actually on 85 pips, and then my stop loss is roughly 18 to 19 pips here. So it's a good one too. Then USD took a buy. We took a buy earlier in the group. You guys should be in profit if you're not close to profits. I'm very much close to profits here. Let me look at USD on a 4-hour time frame first. Before on a 4-hour time frame, I think it's very important to mention the daily. Okay, it's the same thing. Now we know that the trend is very bearish on USD, and yesterday we wanted to take that buy, and I actually did take a buy here, and my stop loss was hit very close, very early before I took my profit, but market was in good profit. So this is a breakout that okay, markets bounced down to 1427 and 1419, which are the levels that I mentioned that we might look at. And then unfortunately, we didn't look at those levels. I mean, didn't take buys at those lows, but market has shown some signs of breaking out. If that breakout is true, even in a 15-minute time frame, we are going to be taking a buy even further than this. My stop loss is a little bit risky. It's I think it's on 50 pips or 62 pips actually. It's a little bit risky, so we are going to be seeing some flames if this is wrong. But if we are correct, we are going to be seeing massive and massive of profit. Trading is not about being right or wrong. Trading is about making money. As long as we're making money on this side. And then another thing is that I mentioned yesterday was USD CAD. Unfortunately, I didn't trade USD CAD. We will see how things go here. I don't trade much of USD CAD, but USD CAD is on the right side of things in terms of the sellers in this particular case right here. Okay, cool stuff. I believe that most of the things are covered now. Let's look at NASDAQ quickly. Let's look at NASDAQ. For those of you who were here on the, and also who are on the group, remember that very well that yesterday I mentioned that NASDAQ has a beautiful potential of breaking towards the top side and retesting this zone and then going all the way up. For those who were in the group and who saw this will testify to this. This is a beautiful, beautiful trade that we took here. And I went out very early. I was happy with what I had on NASDAQ yesterday. So we'll see what the potential is on NASDAQ today, but I'm pretty much confident that NASDAQ is going to be targeting some higher and higher levels now. Let me just quickly use see where that might, where this market might go to now. I believe 15,214 is our next target, and then the next one too is should be 15,465, and then the last one should be 15,650. Those are levels that I'm looking at in terms of, as the market moves forward, maybe before the NFP or maybe during the NFP, but at least we are going to be seeing some beautiful levels moving forward. I really love, NASDAQ moving up. I love NASDAQ. When NASDAQ is going up, I love it. Okay, cool stuff. I don't know which pair Loving the background, loving that background sound of the rooster. Okay. I love it too. Okay, cool. Tell me, is there any setup that you guys want me to analyze and look at quickly? If you do not have a quick trade account, you are going to miss out on Monday, as I will be sending out the trading plan and how we're going about achieving our December money. And if you do have the account, you are on the right side of things. Fund it with at least 150 to 200 rand, and then we are going to get started. I'm going to give you that spreadsheet for free, and I'm going to give it to you, and then we're going to start. It's not even a spreadsheet, it's going to be a PDF. Then we're going to be looking at achieving our daily targets up until we get into the higher level. At least we can have like 30 to 20 to 30,000 rand on that account by December. That will be very, very special for us in terms of trading, in terms of December money, right? I believe that's gonna do. So you really do. Java Sinduli is saying US 30. Let's quickly look at US 30. Okay. US 30 has been doing very let's see what US 30 is doing here. Okay, market has bounced on some beautiful levels here. 61.8. I'm just gonna mark this level, but it's it's not where we wanna go or where we wanna be. I think this is the level that we need to look out for the most. This one right here. Anything below this is good, but this for any buys coming soon. I would say let's put out some buy limit orders at this level. I would say there is in terms of buying Nasdaq and selling Nasdaq, buying selling US30 and buying US30. You guys know very well, and I've been telling you for quite a while that I'm not a biggest fan of selling these particular things. Okay, cool. Let me check out on the 4-hour. Okay. That means this whole zone right here is the one we need to look out for. This zone is the one that we need to look out for buyers. Pretty much, I pretty much want to buy here. I know this is possible, but I pretty much want to buy here on US30. I want to buy at 581.30. 581.30. That's where I want to buy. I believe. Let me put a buy limit order there. It's stop loss should be at least, let's say 80. This is already a risky trade. When I share these parameters shortly, 34. But when the time comes, please monitor this trade, guys. My buy limit is at 34,585.12, and then my stop loss is at 34,513.95, and my take profit is at 35,044.27. That is what basically we're doing. That is how we are trading. Yes, 30. Yeah. That is how, in terms of buy limits and all of those things. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I am going to be seeing you on the other side of the withdrawals. We're done for today. I'm going to be sharing everything on the group, which is the International School of Traders group. And if you're looking for that, please let me know on my WhatsApp number, 0671473701, and then we are going to be trading together. And then for all traders, please, guys, for all of you who are on the IST live trading room, next week on Wednesday, we are going to be meeting here live. I think I'm going to meet beginners again on Wednesday, on Tuesday, on Tuesday next week at 8 o'clock. And then I'm going to meet my people on the IST live trading room at on Wednesday next week to explain some of the beautiful things on gold that you guys need to know so that you can quickly get to the $20,000-$30,000 mark, right? Cool. 20,000 rand mark, right? So Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday next week are going to be very busy for all of us. AUD-JPY, AUD-JPY, AUD-USD. Do I still have time? No, I don't. I think I have 6 minutes to prepare for my next meeting. So I'm going to look at AUD-USD and AUD-JPY for you guys and share them into the group, right? Thank you very much for joining. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.